Lastly, we would like to learn how to sort the t-shirt by the t-shirt size, which will help us to know which students have the same t-shirt size in the class. Let us learn about custom sort in Excel. Imagine that we would like to sort the t-shirt size column in the increasing order of the t-shirt size, such that from the smallest t-shirt size to the largest. So we would want XS or extra small to come first, then we would like small to come next, and then we would like medium or M to come next, then L or large, then XL or extra large, and then finally XXL for extra large. By going on to sort and filter and clicking on sort A to Z, the default sorting options will not work for what you have in mind. The order came out to be L for large, M for medium, S for small, XL for extra large, XS for extra small, and then finally XXL for extra extra large, which is not what we want. What we want instead is to have the sizes ordered in a more logical fashion, starting from extra small or XS and going up to XXL, which is extra extra large. In order to achieve this, we would like to make the use of custom sort. Doing a custom sort allows us to specify the order in which we want our data to be sorted in. Now, we first click on the cell of any column that we want to sort by, and then we go on to sort and filter drop down menu. But this time, instead of choosing sort A to Z or sort Z to A, we choose sort custom sort. Here, as you can see, we will need to select the column that we want to sort by. In this case, the column is the t-shirt size, and we would like to sort on the cell values, and the order we have to specify from a custom list. So we click on custom list. Now, what is a custom list? Custom list is a list which we specify, and it is in a logical order which we can make according to our preference. For example, the list of days in a week or the list of months in a year. In order to do so, we select new list and then we start to enter our list, and in this case we would want the first entry to be XS or extra small, and then we click enter after each and every entry to the list. Then we would like S to come next in the logical order, then M should come, and then L should come, then XL should come, and then finally extra extra large or XXL should come. Now we just add our custom made list onto the existing lists by clicking on the add button, and now our custom list has been selected according to a logical order, and then we press on OK. Now this shows us that we want to order the t-shirt size according to this particular custom list. Now we finally click on OK, and wow, now the sheet is according to how we wanted it to be.